So far, I live there and I'm not super cool. But so far, do you think it's good? I think it's good. Like, if you think it's good, like or subscribe. If you think it's not good, subscribe. But I know you guys are hide, so some of y'all will do that to me. Cause I started my journey on YouTube in 2025. I didn't know what to do, so then I just recorded myself. And so far I've got many, I don't have that much subscribers with you. When I just started my channel in December, and I started on New Year's Day, if you guys can, I think I started on New Year's. I don't know, if you guys can, please, because I make so much videos, and sometimes I'm not too proud of myself, and that the only people that support me are the people that are in my class, and it feels very upset. So if you guys can, I'm not saying you guys, I want you guys, if you guys can, please, I'm begging you, please. So oh my gosh. But yeah, guys, I'll make a bigger version of this one for whoever likes and subscribes on my channel, or I'll send you guys a toy. I wanna find, even though I'm in South Africa, I might fly to America and I'll look for the Lululemon Lilo, and then you might get it, I don't know, you might get it, so yeah. Oh, you're over here. Say hi. Hello. Yeah, even my babies Mr. Bean. As you can see, I'm watching Mr. Bean. So yeah, here they are. So, yeah, guys, if you guys can, please, I'm begging you. Because some of the people in my class don't support me. They say I'll like on your channel, but then they never like on my channel. And you guys use this sound and I'll grant your wish come true. Okay? Just tell me your dream come true on your YouTube channel, and then I'll let it happen. Bye guys.